Yesterday night, a shocking news was heard from Kasaragod district in Nileshwaram. Around 154 people were injured and they were admitted in different hospitals of Kasaragod as well as Kannur and Mangalapuram hospitals. You know, in northern Malabar, it is a custom. This Theyyam festival is a custom of northern Malabar people. Every family is conducting this Theyyam in every Taravadu. In English, Malayalam, we are saying that Taravadu. In every Taravadu, they are conducting this Theyyam. And the Theyyam starts from this temple, this Virar Cow temple. This is the starting of this year's temple, Theyyam. And it ends at Mannampurathu Kavu. So, the festival, Theyyam festival is starting from here. It is conducted by a particular community, that is Chalia. Even though a family is conducting a Theyyam, celebrating a Theyyam, or a religion is conducting a Theyyam, all the people, all the caste, creed, and except everything, everybody is attending. It is a secular place. This temple is a secular place. They will allow everybody to enter the temple. Today, they are going to feed 10,000 people. So, the accident is happening today. The victims will be very large number. So, by the grace of God, the number of injured people are only 154. Police was not cautious about this this festival. They were entered the temple and they were make an inquiry regarding this exploitation.